whatever reason it occurs, then I am in control of reliability. Some of this stuff is actually out of the aircraft industry, and this is an example of the sort of things that they've worked hard on. When you look at a company like Boeing and the items they make, the planes they make, or Airbus in Europe, when you buy a Boeing aircraft, you also get a stack of manuals, this high, perhaps even higher. And the way the industry works is you maintain the aircraft exactly as the manufacturer of the aircraft tells you to maintain it. Reason being is they know the engineering, they know the metallurgy, they know the design they use to build that craft. They know how best to maintain that craft. So if I have 100,000 aircraft technicians around the world working on Boeing aircraft in India, in Japan, in America, in Australia, these 100,000 guys only have one manual because it's the Boeing manual. You maintain Boeing aircraft exactly the way Boeing wants you to maintain it. And all these guys are trained to do it the Boeing way on Boeing aircraft. They're certified. They've gone through rigorous training, certified against a particular requirement, a particular standard, and they maintain a particular model of aircraft all their career, or they're retrained to maintain a different model. So what Boeing have done is they've created a process of having very tight outcomes. If I gave 100,000 technicians the right to go and maintain aircraft as they want and say, guys, here's my aircraft, can you maintain it, please? If they do it 100,000 different ways, I will naturally get thousands of different outcomes for the same solution. But Boeing don't say that. Boeing's saying you maintain our aircraft just the one way, the way that we tell you. And in doing that, what Boeing have done is create a process ensuring high quality performance every single time. Now planes still fall out of the sky, so that process is not yet perfect, but it's a lot better than it was 20 years ago, a lot better than it was 50 years ago, and they're always refining, always improving. So that philosophy of Boeing and Airbus to have a one only way to maintain and operate an aircraft, no matter who you are in the world, produces the reliability that we now enjoy in air flight. That logic is sound, it works, it can be improved, and that's the logic we should apply in every industry because it gives us one outcome, a known outcome, every single time. Now, of course, in industry, general industry, we're unlucky because we aren't regulated. Aircraft industry and nuclear industry are lucky because they have regulations that tell the owners they must maintain the equipment to a certain level of reliability, and they are forced by law to do the right thing. The right thing produces the right result. General industry, there's no law as to how to maintain a pump. We'll do it as we think. So in our machines that are made of many parts, we're in a situation like this. This particular machine or item is 9 parts, one way only to build it, and more than 40,000 ways to build it incorrectly. And our machines have more than 9 parts, and we have hundreds of parts. So we have much opportunity to make some serious misunderstandings, thinking of course that it's right. We're not building this thing wrong on purpose. We're building it in a way we think is right, except of course it's not right because it wasn't done the right way in the first place. Just want to pop out of here and go into our workbook